What's up, guys? In this video, we will be checking out some of the mainstream play-to-earn crypto games that you can go ahead and check out. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, so if you are a crypto enthusiast, you will not miss out on knowing who Axie Infinity is. So, Crypto Games is actually representing groundbreaking evolution in the gaming industry, which integrates blockchain technology to empower people, to empower the players with ownership and earning potential. Now, by leveraging blockchain, guys, crypto games ensure secure asset ownership and transaction, and the play to earn model stands at the heart of this revolution. So it rewards players with tokens or NFTs for their gameplay achievements, making gaming not only entertaining but also financially rewarding. So the three play to earn games that we will be sampling is number one, Axie Infinity, which is the one that you can see on your screen right now. This is one of the mainstream play to earn games back then and until now. I mean, it has made a lot of people a lot of money during Axie Infinity's hype. And this one combines collectible NFT creatures with a strategic battle system and a robust P2E ecosystem. So you can go ahead and check them out. There's a lot of information here on their website that you could gather. I mean, you could see for yourself if this is a game that you would like to play. And another one on our list is Sandbox. And this one right here, guys, made a lot of people that bought their token rich because it went skyrocketing and went straight to the moon. So the Sandbox, guys, is actually offering a decentralized virtual world where players buy, build, and monetize digital land and assets. So it blends gaming with creative freedom. And you could see there, guys, they are already in their alpha season 4. You can go ahead and check this one out. I mean, their games here are like what you could see on your screen. They're blocky and all that. But, for some reason, a lot of users still, play those games. There are a lot of projects out there that made pixelated games like this, but still made a ton of money. And of course, the Sandbox is not going to be an exception because this is one of the juggernaut here in the cryptocurrency play to earn space. And the next one on our list, guys, is Gods Unchained. So this one reimagines trading card games with blockchain-based ownership, which gives players true control over their cards. So if you are a Magic the Gathering, a Yu-Gi-Oh! Or type of playing card game, then this might just interest you. Go ahead and check them out because, again, they are also a play to earn game that will also make you money, of course. And you could go ahead and check them out. Make sure to do your own research. You could head on to their website. There's a lot of information there that you could review. And the best part for Gods Unchained, that you could start for free. I mean, you could use the free to play first, have a feel of it, and then see for yourself if this is something that you would like to continue or if you would like to pursue. And by all means, go ahead and do so. So, crypto gaming offers distinct benefits, guys, such as the digital asset ownership, earning potentials, and decentralized control. However, it also carries risk, which includes market volatility. There are also scams. So there's a lot of, projects before and until now. I mean, there's still projects that are still rug pull. And that's the reason why we always tell you to make sure to do your own research. That way you can make informed decision and, don't rush into something just because they look good, their website looks good, is so on. So make sure to have a deeper dive on your research, like check out their community and all that before you start investing. Now, the future of crypto games looks promising with the trends of like metaverse integration and growing interest from traditional gaming companies that's pointing a widespread adoption. And guys, make sure to do your own research. Blockchain technology's potential to revolutionize gaming economies and player experiences could actually reshape the industry, which offers unparalleled opportunities for gamers and developers alike. So if you are a gamer or if you're a developer, then I think you would, get more profit compared to the gamers. But it still depends. Like there are gamers out there that really invest a lot on good games or in good projects, and they make a ton of it, a ton of profit from that. So these are the crypto games that you guys can go ahead and check out. But really, I would just like to give you an eye opener on what crypto games are, what it could offer, so you could actually make money out of them in a good way. All right. So just a quick summary, guys. We checked out the crypto games, the mainstream crypto games from before and until now. They are still there. So go ahead and give it a check. And if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you will consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.